finding a median. Very important. All of us we understood that out of the set of numbers, the median is the middle number. If you divide that in half, there are two numbers, and divide that by 2. Mean, we all know mean and average is the same. Just add all the numbers and divide by the total of numbers. And mode, the maximum number of times that something is recorded. So in the median, what you have to do, you can put it in the descending order and pick the middle one. Suppose it is not exactly middle, because if it is an odd set of numbers, you can pick the middle. But if it is even, pick the middle 2 and divide by 2. Okay. When do you use mode? When do you use median? When do you use mean? Is something that we will understand with respect to when we go ahead in different analysis. And the fourth one, which you'll have to understand here, is the range. The range is the maximum minus minimum. And generally, as I told you, there is sort of plot that we can do in the graph like this. And then you can take the median and plot here. So this is the data that you'll have to copy. So select the graph, select the time series plot, use this simple one. So select the time. So this is a batch number, and all the time series I've just put it in the plot. That's all. Straight away you'll get a graph like this. Within a seconds, it'll give you the graph. So on the vertical axis is the time, and in the horizontal axis is the index. Suppose if you want slightly more, there is a worksheet 2 where we have other data. Let's see that in a city, there is some crime happening, okay? Robbery, crime, the police will have this data. Years, you've written from 1960 to so many years they have tracked. We would like to plot on the horizontal axis this year. So we want year and the number of murders that is happening. Go to graphs, go to time series, and then let us first type the simple now. So since we want to know the murder data, you can select this C4 and then click enter. And Minitab comes with practice, okay? So timescale, you can choose calendar. And since we have years, we'll choose year. So we wanted to start with year 1960. So if you want to skip values, you can give date increment also, data increment, 5 years, like something like that. So quickly, we will have all the years plotted. And we'll have a nice plot. Immediately, instantly, you will get. Suppose if you want both robbery as well as murder on the same plot, you can choose time series, choose multiple, okay? So murder and robbery, let's pick. C6 is robbery. So we select these two and then see how it comes, right? So timescale will put the same calendar and year. Yeah, so you see that once you compare these two time series, you can find that murder is much lesser than the robbery. So this is a very simple version of the time series in Minitab.